Franklin.
They carry small. She must have been pregnant when we brought her in.
Why didn't she tell me?
So that's why.
Let me tell you what, Doc. Jacobs made me put down the other 12. I'm done. Be my guest.
Be my guest, be my guest, put my poison to the test. Stick the syringe into the skin, let the chemicals do the rest.
Oh, smokes! I mean, is there anything in this office which doesn't violate Contraband Ordinance 22?
Only you, Alfredo Garcia.
Alfredo
Does she ever want
Garcia, an
something to
Italian-Mexican restaurant near you.
Goodness, no.
Look at this. How old is he? Like a day old? 2 days old?
3 days old? 4 days old?
Oh,
Parole hearing. Let's get this one over quick.
Whoa, they just shoved a stick up him.
29 years ago, the parole system as you know it was rendered obsolete.
Rendered obsoleto.
Federal Statute 537-29.
Statute is 513.
Stop it! Do you have anything fresh to say on your behalf?
Be cobbler, perhaps.
I thought not.
Yeah, I do. Teddy bear.
The warden's shocked anyone knows his Tinder profile. He's fine.
How do you know the password to the cuffs?
I wish I knew. Simon says die.
Wait, what? That guy was always so proud of his skills, that Simon says, and now it's paid off. I could go for a yoo-hoo!
Gordon, let's get this over quickly.
How do I write teddy bear?
Retina coding accepted, Warden William Smithers.
Certified
Be
puss?
well.
Yeah, you too.
187. 187.
187 on the mother effing cop.
187.
When you started killing innocent people, Rico, you went beyond service.
You went suave.
Right away, Caesar displayed signs of heightened intelligence.
Commanding legions and conquering nations.
Brought my work home.
Critical.
He'll be fine.
For most of us, there's only dust in the streets. For the few of us that survive to old age, the proud loneliness of the long walk.
Of the lonely.
A walk that every judge must take
alone
outside these city walls, into the unknown of the cursed earth. And there spend your last remaining days, taking law
to the lonely.
To the lawless. This is what it means to be a judge. This is the commitment I expect.
Page 394.
Dismissed.
Caesar, come on.
Good to see you again, Caroline.
You so fine.
You coming, Caesar?
Morning hearing schedule. August 4th, active file. 7 a.m. Hyde Quinton. 8:15 Peterson Scott. 7:30
It's Phoenix.
Simon. 7:45
Simon
John.
Phoenix.
Arizona.
Phoenix. Simon.
I know
Accessing.
him. He's evil in a way you've never read about. He's a criminal the likes of which you have never seen.
Hold that thought, Zachary Lamb. Simon Phoenix's code now.
Access code for Phoenix. Simon. No code found.
L7, you're not coming down with another virus, are you?
Of course not.
You don't
I
get
had
it,
a bit of a
Lolita
chill
Huxley.
this morning, but I'm
Phoenix
fine.
isn't coded. He was chilled back during the 20th before they started lowjacking everybody.
I see you are trying to kill people. Would you like some help with that?
I love chimpanzees.
I'm a
I'm also
chimpanzee.
afraid of them. And it's appropriate to be afraid of them.
Wilshire and Santa Monica Boulevard.
Do not make a Sheryl Crow
Glorious.
reference.
Doctor's vehicle
Ah,
has been
fine
code
work.
fixed. Approaching the
All nearby
corner of
units.
Wilshire
Protect,
and
serve.
Santa Monica Boulevard.
Wilshire and Santa Monica.
Unit 12, protect, serve, apprehend fugitive.
Proceed with extreme assertiveness.
Doctor's vehicle has been code fixed. Approaching the corner of...
Pretty easy to find the penis mobile.
Judge Joseph Dredd. Dredd, you're under arrest.
What's the charge?
Murder.
I did it.
This is where you were born. Your mother was here with other chimpanzees.
So
she's not here anymore.
Wait, you
So
and my mom?
that's why I took you home to live with me.
Caesar would later turn to drugs and prostitution to block out the bad feelings.
Firm tone of voice. Demand maniac lie down with hands behind back.
Simon Phoenix, lie down with your hands behind your back.
What's this? 6 of you. Such nice, tidy uniforms.
Oh, I'm so scared. What, you guys don't have sarcasm anymore?
Maniac has responded with a scornful remark.
Approach and
It's hurt
repeat
my
ultimatum
feelings.
in an even firmer tone of voice.
See her taking up her old hobbies.
That won't happen.
We won't tell her. Oh, I see. And that's supposed to comfort me.
Identification, please. Please try again. Thank you, General Perez.
Bottom line is, she looks at me funny one time.
And
Still better than Fergie. Hey, I'm pooping.
Come on. Explain it to me.
It was one time and we were in love.
This is your recommendation? The demolition man's an animal.
He's clearly the man for a job such as this. You could reinstate him.
He's a muscle-bound grotesque who hasn't worn a shield in 40 years.
Simon Phoenix is an old-fashioned criminal. We need an old-fashioned cop.
To give him an old fashioned. Now place the ice cube into the giant glass.